Good morning, Bedford Hills. I'm Ellie Brown, your FCA Savior.
And I'm Alyssa Kelly, your FCA President. And this is the news for Wednesday, January 15th, 2020.
Tell us up your favorite flavor on National Bagel Day today. In the United States, we love our crunchy on the outside, chewy on the inside bread.
Jewish immigrants brought the bagel to the United States. Until the 1960s, bakeries made bagels by hand until Daniel Thompson invented the bagel maker.
Today's word of the day is navigate. To navigate is to plan a course from one place to another.
We hope you navigate the second half of the school well and have a great time. Today in history is pretty diverse. In 1844, the University of Notre Dame received its charter.
In 1891, basketball was invented.
In 1943, the Pentagon, the world's largest office building, opened.
And in 1967, the first Super Bowl was played. This is Ellie Brown.
And Alyssa Kelly. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn. It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.